Hi, are you living in Nigeria and finding it difficult to open your Forex account or start Forex trading? All right, you don't have to worry about anything anymore because in this video, I'll be walking you through a beginner step-by-step guide on how you can start your Forex journey the right way. No fluff, no hype, just teaching you or helping you with the right strategy on how you can go about it and be profitable in the market as a beginner Forex trader. Yeah, if you are ready, let's go. First thing first, what you want to know is you want to understand what Forex is. What Forex is or what Forex exchange is. Another word for Forex is foreign exchange. So foreign exchange is the buying and selling of currency. It's as simple as that. Yeah. Buying and selling of currency is more or less like you're trading euro against USD, or you're trading Great Britain pounds against Japanese yen, or you're even trading US dollar against naira. Yeah, the goal is simple. You buy low and you sell high, or you sell high and buy low. Forex today is very popular among Nigerians because Nigerians have understand that there is a lot of opportunity in it since you can actually make money from the comfort of your home or your offices. Yeah, so that's number one. Then number two, you want to get the right mindset. Forex is key. Don't forget. Don't come into Forex thinking that it's a get rich quick scheme. Yeah. Don't think that is it's you can make your money back in 1 week or in 1 month. Don't think the money that you start Forex with, you can probably make it back in 1 week or in 1 month or probably in 6 months or even in 1 year. Remember that Forex is a journey. Just like you're learning driving, you are coding. It's a skill. What matters in Forex is you being consistent, you being disciplined, and you being patient. That's the mindset you should come into it with. Then number two is you need to get a reputable broker. How do you know a reputable broker? There are so many brokers in Nigeria today. You have Octa FS, you have SNES, you have IC Market, you have Derive, you have FBS, you have SM brokers. All of these brokers, they are all in Nigeria. But choosing the right broker for yourself, you need to look at these things. In my previous video, I had talked about how you can know a reputable broker. I'm just going to go through it again in a flash in this video. So, how do you choose a reputable broker? You need to check for you need to check that the broker is regulated, is probably licensed under a security company. There are so many security companies. There is CSEC. Yeah, it's in Cyprus. It's an exchange regulatory company that most brokers are licensed under. You want to be sure that that broker is regulated. Then you want to be sure that the spread is very tight. They have very good spread. You want to be sure that their withdrawals are lightning fast. You also want to be sure that their deposit is good and they are naira friendly. They support you depositing naira and probably withdrawing naira. You also want to be sure that their customer support is very good. Yeah, so these are the things that make up a reputable broker. So that's number two. Then number three, you want to learn a strategy. Yeah, a strategy is what will keep you in the market, it's what will make you profitable. You don't just come into the market thinking that you can do anyhow. You can do what, like, you can just go about buying because the market is probably going up or selling because the market is going down. So you want to get a strategy, you want to learn a strategy. Yeah, that will help you. So learning a strategy is part of it. That will help you. A good strategy, a working strategy. So that's three. Then number four, you want to first of all practice with a demo account. Yeah, you want to practice with a demo account. So opening a demo account will help you get access to the forex market. So remember that having a reputable broker is what gives you access to the market, because you need a broker to be able to get into the forex market. Now, so before you go and fund your account, you want to practice with a demo account. Yeah, remember that practicing makes perfect. So if you have learned a strategy before, you want to practice that strategy with a demo account. Yes. So a demo account will help you learn or perfect your strategy. It will help you understand how proud you go about withdrawing, how to execute a trade, how to understand the trends of the market and all of these things. So you want to practice with a demo account first to be sure of your strategy, to be sure that your strategy is working. Remember that if you cannot grow a demo account, you probably blow a funded account too. Yeah, so that's four. Then you also, before after that, you also want to like fund your account wisely. Remember I said fund your account wisely, emphasis on wisely. The fact that you have so much money in your account don't mean that you want to like put all the money in your account. So as a beginner forex trader, you want to fund your accounts looking at what you can lose. You want to put the money that you can lose in your account, maybe let's say 20,000 to 50,000. Yeah, so if you can grow the 20,000 or the 50,000 to a reasonable amount, you can be sure that your strategy is working. So just before you go about funding a lot of money in your account, remember to fund your account wisely. Put probably let's say 20 to 50K just for a start. Yeah. So then you also, then number six, there I don't know what number I am, but these are just the steps that will help you. So then lastly or finally, you want to join a traders community or you want to get a mentor. Yeah, if you join a traders community to help you to have the right minds around you, to interact the right way, to probably learn more strategies or probably learn the knows and hows on how to go about it, or you also want to go, or you want to get a forex, or you want to get a mentor. A mentor would help you, will save you a lot of years of trials and errors. Yeah, so many years of trials and error, years that you would have been wondering how to go about this. Is this strategy is working? Is this what I should do? Is this not what I should do? A mentor will help you to guide you the right way. Make sure that your years of trials and errors are very low. You won't even go through any trials and error, because having a mentor guiding you will save you a lot of years of that. Yeah, so you'll probably be looking at you just making little mistakes and being profitable in no time. Yeah, and as well, if you want to join my mentorship class, you can click the link in my description. I have my link there for you to join my mentorship class so that you can save yourself a lot of years of trials and error. Yeah, so if you find this video educative and and if you find this video educative and has been able to probably teach you one or two things, do not forget to smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and put on the notification bell in case videos like this pop up again. It will be easy for you to learn it, or for you to open it rather. All right, thank you once again. Remember to trade smart, withdraw faster, and keep your stop loss tighter. Thank you.